Reporting live, Matt Del Signor, All News 99.1.
WNEW News Time, 9:37. Those power outage numbers are going up. Utilities have been saying all along this might happen. 14,000 Dominion customers without power. Now 1,200 Novec customers without power. They're in Prince William County, Loudoun County, and Fauquier County. And as the utilities had been telling us, as the wind and the snow continues, there are going to be more outages. They have crews standing by, so they're ready, but they said you just need to brace yourself for your power to flicker or go out at some point. We want to know what you're seeing. Tell us how much snow is falling, how much is still falling. Send us your photos, cbsdc.com. You can also tweet us, WNEW Weather. Use that hashtag at WNEW News.
You're listening to continuing storm coverage on All News 99.1 and online at cbsdc.com.
34 degrees as the heavy snow continues with strong winds.
Conditions are pretty tough. The snow is starting to accumulate much faster, much thicker, bigger flakes, and I don't think it was a good idea to drive, although I'm driving a Jeep Wrangler. But still, it's just too risky. At places where the snow is a little deeper on 270, when you're changing lanes, you can really feel it, you know, how much snow is on the road. So if you are seeing this video and you plan to drive, probably it's not a good idea. Stay home. All right.